Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you the basics of Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, go to Google and search for Canva. Go to the first website and then you can click on continue. Now here you can see a lot of options. The first one is home. You need to know the size of your design. If you don't know the size of your design, just go to template and search whatever you want to make. If it's a logo, if it's a Facebook post, Instagram story, whatever it is. You're just gonna see a bunch of template and a blank template here. And if you don't know the size of your design, you can just go and Google it. For example, let's Google Facebook post size. And you're gonna get the size in pixels, and you can just copy it with Ctrl+C and come here and click on custom size and then paste it here, copy and paste it here again, and then hit create new design. Now you can start designing. Now here are a lot of options again. The first is gonna be templates again, which I've told you once that they're gonna give you a lot of templates which you can just click, and then you have this template and you can mess around with the text and all these icons. You can also change these icons. You can remove them by just clicking and deleting, and you can change the text by just clicking the text, and here is the text changing bar. You can just click here and select all the text you want. You can just click here and select the font size you want. You can click here and change the text color, and these are bold, italic, underline, and all the basic stuff. And this is alignment. If you want the text to be in the right, in the middle, in the left, however you want it to be. The second one is elements. There are a lot of elements in Canva that Canva free offers. And then we have text, we have brand, again this is paid. We have upload. In uploads you can upload your file and you can start editing with it. And tools, this is basically a draw tool. You can select your marker and you can start drawing whatever you want. Now the first thing you need to know is how to edit the color of this background. This is the main background. This is the key background which you're gonna work into. So you just click on it and you have this background color option, and you can choose any color from here. Let's say we choose black. So we're gonna go to text. Now we're gonna change the font. Make sure that when you're changing font, you need to select the font as a whole. Change the font, change the font size, change the font color, and then we're gonna go to elements. Let's say we're making a logo for a car brand, so we're just gonna search for car, see all. There are photos, there are 3D, there are videos, there are a lot of things, but in the graphics you will find all these elements. So click here, search all, and you have all these different elements. So let's say we will choose this one and let's drag it to make it look like a design. As you can see, it's giving off a shadowy vibe. Then you can upload something. Just click upload file, choose the file you want to upload. For example, I will upload this one, and then select it, and then you can use it however you want to. You can round up the edges, you can drag down the image, you can set it as background, and that's it. This is all the basics you want to know to start Canva. Now you can mess around with all the different things. You can just so once you're done with your design, just hit share and then click on download. Now choose your preferred file type. PNG is best for images and all the random uses of images, so select PNG, and then once you hit download, this file is gonna be downloaded on your computer, and then you can view from here or you can open the folder from here.